Okay, Gigi, I'm gonna attempt to make a quick little video for you, just a tutorial on filling out the residential property disclosure statement that I sent to you the other day. You're not alone. Almost all clients make mistakes when they fill this document out. So I'm just gonna quickly run you through it, right? So you'll open up the email and you'll hit the start signing button like you did. That was great. Read that and accept it. And once you have it open, up here it's and you may not even have paid attention to this. Up at the top of the page, it gives you 0 of 6 completed. What that's telling you are the signatures that are in this document, right? So I'll walk you through, and it's showing you that there's 6 pages in this document right here in this corner. So all you'll do is hit start, and it's going to cycle you to the very first place that you need to add your initials. So you'll just click on that, and then it automatically cycles you to the next page. Now, what you must have done on the last one is just scroll down and just click your initials again. But you can't do that. This is a form that you have to fill this out. These are all questions about your house and your property, right? And I know it could be a little overwhelming. That's why I said I was glad that AJ could possibly be there to help you or assist you doing this. As your realtor, I'm not authorized to walk you through and help you answer these questions. I just can't do that. So um, hopefully AJ will be able to help you do that if there's anything that you're stumped about or don't understand. Okay, so on these pages, you're going to see over here on the right side, you're going to see three um, columns, and it's simply these blue boxes are check boxes that are interactive. So you see if you hover your mouse over them, it changes it. So you can select one of these. So the first question here is A1. Is the property currently owner occupied? For your scenario, no, you don't live there. The house is empty. So you just come over here and you click no, and it puts a green checkbox in there. And it says, date the owner acquired the property. I don't remember off the top of my head, but this will be the date that you purchased it. Right? So you can click inside this box. All these items that have the blue dashed lines around them, those are text boxes. So when you click on that, you'll see that little text flag pop up, and you could just type in a date. And I'll just put a date in 05/15/2025. Right? That's complete. Just go through and answer all of these questions. The NR, which stands for no representation, don't be afraid to use that. Okay? What that means is if you truly don't know the answer to something, just put no representation. If you truly don't know. For a perfect example is I'll tell people, if you go on to the third page, and question C2, it's about the plumbing, right? And this question is, the dwelling's water pipes are made of what type of material? Most people don't really know what all their pipes are made of, especially if they purchase the house used. They don't know what's in the walls or in the floor or under the crawl space. And you can't just open up your kitchen cabinet and see that there's copper pipes exposed or there's PEX pipes exposed, because you don't know if that's what all the plumbing is throughout the house, right? So this is a perfect example. If you don't know, just pick no representation. You don't have a clue what all the plumbing is. So you'll just go through and you'll answer all of these questions, okay, throughout these pages. And I know it's a lot. And then up at the top, going back to the 1 of 6 complete, it's saying 1 of 6 because the first one was up here where I clicked on that to add initials. So now if you see here, when I click on this one, and I add those initials, it's telling me there's 2 of 6 complete, right? So just make sure that you answer all the questions, and then you get all of these blocks initialed or signed. So there's 4 of 6, 5 of 6, and then after you're done filling out all these questions, click your final signature, and that's when you'll get this complete signing window that'll pop up. Just click on that, and that's it. You're done. Then you can close it. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, or if this doesn't make sense to you, just let me know, and I'll try to help you.